Welcome to my state report on Texas, the Lone Star State. There are a lot of interesting facts on Texas. Here are 5 of them. Number 1, it was an independent nation. Number 2, it had the deadliest natural disaster in 1900 named the Galveston Hurricane. Number 3, it is almost the largest state in the United States, second only to Alaska. Number 4, Texas loves its Fritos. Number 5, the state owns all the land, not the federal government. The Texas flag has 3 colors: the white, purity; the red, bravery; and the blue, loyalty. The bluebonnet is the state flower of Texas. It blooms in early spring and can be found in fields and along the roadsides throughout central and south Texas. The mockingbird is the Texas state bird, known as a fighter for protection of its home. Texas borders Arkansas, Louisiana, Oklahoma, and New Mexico. Some of the landmarks in the state are the Alamo, the San Antonio River Walk, and the Natural Bridge Caverns. The highest temperature is 110 degrees Fahrenheit, and the average temp is 64 degrees Fahrenheit. The climate is humid subtropical. It covers over 268,000 square miles. This is the Texas state map. This is my Texas state plate that I designed with the state flower, state flag, and state bird. The population of Texas has grown from 18,723,000 in 1995 to over 27 million in 2015. Some of the famous Texans include Matthew McConaughey, President George H.W. Bush, William Barrett Travis, and Sam Houston. Matthew McConaughey was born in Uvalde, Texas. He was an athlete at a young age. He won an Academy Award for the Best Actor in 2014. He was also the voice of Koala Buster Moon in the movie Sing. George H.W. Bush was born in Massachusetts before moving to Texas. He got rich from buying Texas oil companies in the 1950s. He also served in World War II as a naval pilot. He was the 41st President of the United States in 1988. William Travis moved to Texas from South Carolina. When he moved to Texas, he went to the Alamo and joined the battle. He became a commander and died in the fighting in 1836. Sam Houston moved from Virginia to Texas in 1832. He fought in the War of 1812. He served in the American Army and the Texian Army. Here are some interesting facts about Texas agriculture and industry. Texas grows rice, peanuts, sugarcane, watermelon, cantaloupe, and grapefruit. Its main industries are mining and tourism. The oil industry started in 1943 near Houston. Texas is the 3rd largest state in the film industry. Texas raises 20% of the nation's cattle, more than any state in the U.S. Thank you for listening to my Texas State Report.